guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new, welcome, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back. My name is Jacqueline, and on this channel I do budget related videos. If those sort of videos interest you, please consider subscribing. Okay guys, so in today's video we're going to be doing my cash stuffing for my second paycheck in May. Before we count my cash, I do want to take a sip of my sparkling water, pineapple flavor, so I'm going to go ahead and take a sip. So here is my cash. Let me get my calculator. How is everyone doing? Today is actually May 24th, I think it's Wednesday. And this paycheck was from last Friday. So I'm trying to get caught up with my videos. Okay, so let's just start counting. So we have 51, 150, 200. 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 60, 82, 20, 40, 60, 80, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 110, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 210, 20. 5, 10, 15, 25, 35, 40. 5, 10, 15, 25, 35, 45, 55, 65, 75, 85. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So I'm cash stuffing $855. I'm going to go ahead and set this money up, and we're going to start with my first binder. We're going to start off with this binder here. Eating out is going to get 50. So it's 20, 30, 45, 46, 7, 8, 9, 50. I just recorded a bill swap, bill exchange, so I didn't have to go to the bank. So this money here is money from my binders, so it's good. I kind of have nicer bills here. Okay, so spending is going to get 80. 20, 40, 50, 65, 75, 6, 7, 8, 9, 80. Okay, compra is going to get 185, and I rolled over $50 for my last weekly cash and stuffing. Let's just make sure that this is 185. That's 51, 20, 40, 50, 60, 75, 80, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then plus 50. So that is, I can't do math right now, 185 plus 50, 185 plus 50 is 235. Okay, gas, I rolled over $20 for my last weekly and stuffing. This is getting 100. Okay, so this is 20, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 5, 95, 6, 7, 8, 9, $120. I just got gas the other day and it was $3.08. Okay, household is going to get 10. Household has 10, 20, 30, 40, 55, 65, 75, 85. Future rent is going to get 65. Actually, I'm going to put this one. So future rent now has, let me put this money in order so I don't mess up. 1,000, 1,000, 2,000, 100, 200, 300, 400, 450, 470, 480, 490, $495, $2,495. we're gonna go into my low priority. So this envelope here is 3 anniversaries that I currently am saving for. So I'm gonna put this calculator here so I can calculate them together. MWP is getting a 5. So now it has 100, 150, 5, 65, 75. TAP is getting a 5. TAP has 20, 45, 55, 65. JBP is also getting a 5. It has 20, 30, 5, 45, 55, 65, 70. So between these 3 envelopes, I have $310. The only other envelope getting cash left in this binder is Dustin, and he is getting $105. So I have his money kind of separated. So this money right here is money that's going to go towards the summer. So I'm going to put this to the side because this is actually going to go to the bank. I'm not going to include it in his envelope because it's money that I'm not using at the moment. So he's going to get right now $105. So that's 50, 70, 90, 105. So we're gonna add this to, this is his emergency money. He only has 13 bucks in his emergency. Okay, that's all right. Okay, so he has 50, 70, 90, 110, 15, 25, 35, 45, 55, 65, 75, 85, 95, 100, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that's 205 plus the 13 here. So he has a total of 218. We're gonna go to my high priority, and we're gonna go to car maintenance. Is going to get $5. Car maintenance now has 500, 600, 700, 20, 40, 60, 80, 800, and 10, 20, 35, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's $854. Medical is next. Medical is going to get 20. Medical now has 500, 600, 700, and 20, 40, 50, 60, 75, 80, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So that's $788. Emergency fund is next, and this is getting a 5. Now it has 500, 600, 700, 800, 955. Travel is getting 70. So that's 20, 40, 60, 70. Travel now has 500, 600, 20, 40, 60, 87, 20, 40, 60, 88, 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, 900, and 1, 2, 3, 4. Savings is getting a 5. Savings now has 550, 70, 90, 610, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 1, 2, 3. So that's 623. Okay, so 1, 2, 3 monthly expenses is last for this binder, and this is also getting a 5. Now I have $1,100, $520, $35, $2,535. All right, so now we're gonna go to my yearly challenge. This binder here. We're gonna start off with my penny challenge. My penny challenge, we're gonna go to August, which is 3rd quarter. Okay, so August is here. August, I need to save 72, so I'm gonna save 36 today. So that's 20, 35, and 36. Now we're gonna go over to my 52 weeks, and I'm going to August today as well. August is going to be 130. Today we're cash stuffing only 14. So that's 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. It adds up. I have a plan and I have a layout of how I'm saving this money. Okay, so this cash here should be $60. 20, 30, 40, 55. Huh? Wait a second. Something did not get... You know what? I did this once before. I forgot my cell phone. Oh my gosh. Okay. It's because I was talking about my future rent, I think. I don't know. My cell phone is in here. And cell phone needs to get 25. Where is that? I did this once before. Like at the end, I was like, why do I have all this cash? I forgot to stuff my cell phone. So cell phone has 20, 45, 50. Okay, so now this should be 60. 10, 20, 35, 45, 55, 56, 7, 8, 9, 60. And that is correct. Where the heck is that binder? Oh, here it goes. And I'm going to put it in my savings challenge binder. That way I can add it to my new challenge. By this point, you should have already seen my savings challenge, so you know exactly where this is going. All right, you guys, so this is it. This is my cash stuffing for my second paycheck in May. I hope you enjoyed this video. Go ahead, leave a comment down below. Let me know what you thought about it. And leave me a coffee emoji. And if you're not ready to subscribe, guys, do please consider subscribing. I am going to have a giveaway at 2,000 subscribers. You guys take care. Have an amazing morning, day, or night. And I will see you on my next one. Bye, guys.